All right, YouTube, I'm here this morning getting ready to do some pressure washing, and I'll do some before and after. So as you can see, our backyard concrete patio is pretty severe need of some pressure washing, some staining, discoloration. There's my wife. So what I'm going to use is the 2800 Generac pressure washer, and I bought a 18-inch Dewalt surface cleaner. I'll show you that. So I got the Dewalt surface cleaner for a pressure washer. Got the quick disconnect there, and it's an 18-incher. Pretty standard design. Nozzles on the end. Creates rotation. Bristles. Solid steel frame. Should be able to withstand some wear and tear. This is no cleaner, just straight water. You can see how quickly it does it. This was freaking green. Comes up pretty good. We're gonna add a little bit of cleaner just to kind of keep it from coming back quickly. Overall, it definitely cut the time probably in half. More. Maybe more. Speeds things up really quickly. Covers a good amount of area and gets rid of the grime. So I'm very happy with this product. Hopefully if you choose to get it, you will be too.